Hello my fellow Topians, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Heartopia not working or crashing. So basically what we need to do firstly is to close the Heartopia app and instead go into the settings app on our phone. And then in here scroll down, click on general and then click on storage right here as you can see. So now just simply wait for all of the apps in here to load as you can see. And now you're going to scroll up and click on search and search for Heartopia here as you can see. Then click on upload app and once again in here click on upload app. This, by the way, might sometimes take some while to finish because this app does take quite a lot of space as you can see. So basically what we're doing right now is that we're waiting for the reinstall app button here as you can see. So click on it and then just wait for the Heartopia app to completely finish its updating process. This shouldn't log you out of your account or delete anything, just so you know. What will happen instead is that it's going to give you like the brand new app, if that makes sense, or like the most up-to-date update of that app. So do this and then wait for it to finish and then go back and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.